Sleep apnea awareness. Sleep apnea is a condition many people live with, without even knowing they have it. I still remember, when I was a medical student, we had a patient whose family complained about loud snoring. Later, it turned out to be something more serious: sleep apnea. Sleep apnea occurs when your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep. The most common type is obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. A person with sleep apnea may be unaware of their condition. It's often their partner or family who notice the snoring, choking sounds, or gasping during the night. If you experience sleep apnea, you may feel exhausted during the day, have mood swings, or find it difficult to concentrate at work. There are several risk factors, including obesity, smoking, and thyroid problems. Addressing these can significantly reduce the severity of the condition. The underlying cause is usually the repeated collapse of the upper airway during sleep, which interrupts breathing and lowers oxygen levels. This often happens because the throat muscles relax too much, causing the airway to narrow or close. Fortunately, we have effective treatments. These include lifestyle changes such as losing weight, quitting smoking, and reducing alcohol intake. In some cases, a device called a CPAP machine is needed. It keeps your airways open during sleep, improves your breathing, and boosts your overall sleep quality. It can also help prevent serious complications, like high blood pressure. Sleep apnea is more than just loud snoring. It's a serious, yet treatable condition that can affect every part of your life, from your energy to your heart health. If you or someone you know shows signs of sleep apnea, don't ignore it. Early diagnosis and treatment can change everything.